You're looking at a Triumph Typewriter. I'm just going through the functions. This seems to work. I'm not going to push the keys right in because I think it damages it all, but all the keys are working as they should. But the ribbon on top, there's no ribbon in there. I think there might be a cover on the top. Those covers have gone. That seems to be the only problem with the writer. Spacebar is good. These functions here seem good on top. Not sure what this button does here. It looks pretty much everything seems to work as it should. All these functions here. When I found it, it had a lot of mud all over it, but it all cleaned up quite nicely. The brands are a bit worn off here, but generally it's in pretty good shape, I guess. It seems like a pretty solid typewriter, kind of the way it moves around and the way it holds. It seems like it's built for some kind of industrial use. Again, I'm not sure what that button is, but pretty much the writer is, I'm assuming if you put a ribbon in it, it would work quite well. But I can't say because I haven't done that. Not sure what this one, this obviously does something pokes, I know. Yeah, most of the things, it probably just needs some oiling to get it to get the keys, but the keys are actually pretty good. There's no solid rusting or anything like that in the writer. Thanks for watching this clip. If you have any questions, let me know. Nice typewriter.